Answer me.
I must see jet. Oh my God.
So this is Davido and Chioma flying out after their viral, trendy, traditional marriage that got the whole country talking outside Nigeria. Everybody was talking about this marriage on the 25th of June. It was the day for Nigerians and non-Nigerians because everybody was about this wedding, and this is them looking kind of tired. And in Davido's private jet, you all, if you do not know, Davido owns a private jet. So this is them just chilling with Davido friends, flying out, I believe, to like just get some rest and all. Yeah, but rumors have it that they are planning their white wedding, which will be held outside Nigeria. So if you want to be a guest, you have to have your visa first. That is not guaranteed that you will get invitation, but at least you should have your visa in case they give you invitation. So you just have to be prepared, and that's just it. People have been saying that they flew out of the country to start planning for their white wedding. Yeah, that because they did what they did is traditional marriage. So I believe they are planning for their wedding, and it is going to be held outside Nigeria. But we don't know how true is that. But we are just watching and waiting and go, and we'll see how it will go, because this their traditional marriage is still the talk of the town, guys. People are still talking about it, even though Very Dark Man and the Yabo and Polo are fighting already after this beautiful moment. But let's just see how it goes. Yeah, that is it. Please do not forget to click on the subscribe button. Also like this video, share, comment.